A fabulous morning, my dear children. Yes, I'm really very happy to see you all, my dear children. Yes, I welcome you all to our environmental studies class. Yes, shall we enter into our class? Yes, before entering into our class, now I came to the story time. Yes, this is story time for you, okay? Yeah. See here, the story is for you, my dear children. I hope you all like to hear the stories, yes? Yes, so that only I came to the stories. Max the dog. What is the stories about? Max the dog. This is the title of this story. What, see here, Jen has a brown dog. Her dog's name is Max. Max likes to play with the ball. Jen throws the ball. Max brings it back. Max lies on the bed. This makes Jen's mom's mad. She wants Max to lie on the floor. One day Max got lost. Jen looked all over for him. She walked up the street and down the street. She yelled, "Come home, Max." She found Max. He was in the park. He was happy to see Jen. Yes, till this the story is over. Yes, I hope, can you guess the story is about? What the story is about? Yes, very good. This story is about the dog. Very good. See here, Jen has a brown dog. Who is Jen here? Tell me, who is Jen here? Yes, this girl is Jen here. Very good. Her dog name is Max. See here, her pet dog's name is Max. Max likes to play with the ball. Who is Max here? Tell me. Who is Max here? Yes, very good. The dog. Dog likes to play with the ball. Jen throws the ball. Who throws the ball? Jen. Who is Jen here? This girl. Yes. Usually she throws the ball. Max bring it back. That Max, the dog, searching the ball, and after search the Max brings it back. Okay. Max always lies on the bed. Max lies on the bed. This makes Jen's mom's mad. Okay. Max always likes to lie on the bed. Okay. That makes Jen's mom didn't like that. Okay. That didn't like Jen's mom's. Okay. She wants Max to lie on the floor. What is that? She wants Max to lie on the floor. Yes. One day Max got lost. One day what happened? One day Max got lost. Jen looked all over for him. Jen looked all over here and there. Jen used to search wherever. Yes, Jen used to search here and there. Okay. She walked up the street and down the street. She walked here and there, and also she searches the Max, but he didn't found. Okay. She yelled, "Come home, Max." Like that she felt very bad. Okay. She found the Max. Yes, finally she found the Max. He was in the park. Who was in the park? Tell me. Max. Yes, very good. Max was in the park. He was happy to see Jane. Yes, the dog. The dog was very happy to see Jane. Yes, till this the story going to wind up with. Yes, I hope you all also have the pet animals with you. Yes, what's your pet animal, my dear children? Tell me. Dog. Very good. Cat. Yes. Fish, yes, yeah, very good. Yes, I hope you all, some of you all having the fish tank with you at your home. Yes, okay. See here, your pet animal should be take very careful. Okay, we have to respond for our pet animals. Okay, my dear children. Yes, okay. See here, this is for your reading practice. Okay. See here, this is a paragraph on air pollution. This paragraph is about air pollution. It is for your reading practice. I hope. Okay. Now I am going to read it. While I am reading, no, that time you have to listen my words, and also while I am reading, you have to keep your fingers one by one. Okay. Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing. Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing and affects human beings at some extent. It appears in the environment due to bad air quality. The picture is air pollution in broadly found in the urban regions rather than a rural area. Now the affected air contains a high carbon volume that does not feel you better. Okay. See, listen my children, this is only for your reading practice. Okay. So now I didn't go to explain you. Okay. I hope you all know to read it. Okay. Yes. Once again shall I read? Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing. Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing and affects human being at some extent. What is that? Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing and affects human beings. Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing, and also that air pollution affects human beings to some extent. It appears in the environment due to bad air qualities. Yes, very good. See here, absolutely it is a very nice sentence. It appears in the environment due to bad air quality. Okay, air pollution appears in our environment because of the bad air quality. Okay. Real understood? Yes. The picture is air pollution in broadly found in the urban region rather than a rural area. The picture is air pollution in the broadly found in the urban regions rather than a rural area. Now, the affected air contains a high carbon volume that does not feel you better. Okay, nowadays we are all affecting in the air pollutions. No, that affected air contains a high carbon volume. Okay, that affected air contains a high carbon volume that does not feel you better. Okay, my dear children. Yes, are you all ready to read this paragraph now? For you, once again I will read. Listen my words carefully while I am reading now. That time keep your fingers one by one. Okay. Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing and also affects human being at some extent. It appears in the environment due to bad air quality. Bad. Yes, I hope you all know the meaning of bad. The picture is air pollution is broadly found in the urban regions rather than a rural area. Now, the affected air contains a high carbon volume that does not feel you better. Yes, and also that not feel you better. Yes, this is the time for your session. Now we are going to read it. Okay, my dear children. Yes, read this paragraph. Air pollution is not good for taking healthy breathing and affects human beings at some extent. It appears in the environment due to bad air quality. The picture is air pollution in broadly found in the urban regions rather than a rural area. Now the affected air contains a high carbon volume that does not feel you better. Yes, very good my dear children. I hope you all read this. Yes? Okay. Now shall we enter into our lesson part? Yes, very good my dear children. Now we are all in lesson 7. Now tell me, what is the topic of our lesson? What is the topic of our lesson my dear children? My needs. Yeah, absolutely. What is the topic of our lesson? Yeah. I hope you all know some points about air. Okay. So now I am going to show you that. Now we are going to see about the properties of air. See, tell me, what are all the properties of air? In before session and all also we discussed about the properties of air. Okay. Tell me, what are all the properties of air? Air has mass. Yes, very good. What is that? Air has mass. And also air occupies space or has volume. Yes, air always occupies a space. And also the third point is air has density. Air exerts pressure. These 4 points is for properties of air. Okay, what are all the properties of air? Tell me. Air has mass, air occupies space or has volume, air has density, air exerts pressure. Yes, these 4 points is for properties of air. Okay, my dear children. Yes, shall we move on to the next one?